In the world of automotive tuning, few names command as much respect as Liberty Walk. Renowned for their audacious designs and impeccable craftsmanship, Liberty Walk has now turned their attention to a true Japanese icon, the Mazda RX-7. This collaboration marries the RX-7's legendary rotary engine with Liberty Walk's signature wide-body kit, creating a visual and performance masterpiece that is sure to turn heads. The Mazda RX-7 has long been celebrated for its innovative rotary engine and sleek, timeless design. Liberty Walk's interpretation retains the essence of the RX-7 while infusing it with contemporary aesthetics and engineering. The result is a car that pays homage to its roots while embracing the cutting edge. Liberty Walk's hallmark wide-body kit transforms the RX-7's appearance, giving it an aggressive stance and enhanced aerodynamics. The kit includes custom front and rear bumpers, wide fenders, and a bold rear wing. These modifications not only enhance the car's visual appeal but also improve its performance by reducing drag and increasing downforce. Under the hood, Liberty Walk ensures that the RX-7's performance matches its striking exterior. The rotary engine is fine-tuned for maximum output, delivering an exhilarating driving experience. Additionally, upgraded suspension and braking systems provide improved handling and stopping power, making this RX-7 as capable on the track as it is on the street. Liberty Walk's attention to detail is evident throughout the vehicle. The interior is refined with high-quality materials and custom touches that complement the exterior modifications. From bespoke upholstery to advanced infotainment systems, every element of the cabin is designed to enhance the driver's experience. With its limited production run, the Liberty Walk Mazda RX-7 is poised to become a collector's item. Each unit is meticulously crafted, ensuring exclusivity and attention to detail. This blend of rarity and excellence makes it a coveted addition to any automotive collection. The unveiling of Liberty Walk's Mazda RX-7 has garnered international attention, highlighting the global influence of Japanese tuning culture. This collaboration not only celebrates the RX-7's legacy but also showcases Liberty Walk's ability to innovate and redefine automotive design. Liberty Walk's Mazda RX-7 is a testament to what can be achieved when tradition meets innovation. By honoring the RX-7's heritage while infusing it with contemporary design and performance enhancements, Liberty Walk has created a car that is both a tribute to the past and a vision of the future. For enthusiasts and collectors alike, this RX-7 represents the pinnacle of automotive art and engineering.